What is going on, my stock market bulls and bears? Welcome to my channel, Buy the Dip. All right, guys, today we're going to talk about a couple different SPACs that I have on my radar, ones that I'm buying. I hold shares and options in all these SPACs I'm going to be talking about today, mainly going to be three of them. So let's get into today's video. And of course, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And also consider joining channel membership as little as $2.99 a month. You get the loyalty badges, custom emojis, and you get my buy sell alerts here in the community tab. So first I'm going to here talk about IPOF, man. This is probably, for me, the most exciting one out of the three that we're going to talk about. Look at the 1 month chart on this SPAC. Now, there is no news out there, official news on this. This is all speculation on this baby, because you know these SPACs have a $10 NAV, which is the base price for a SPAC before it becomes officially the company that it's going to merge with. And this thing is up 65 cents in 1 month. As you can see, back on March 21st, it was $10. And it's just mooning up. Now, on this one, I hold shares. I hold options. I hold May 20th options. I'm holding October 21st options. And because this has huge potential to be merging with Starlink. Like I said, all speculation here, of course. There's a great thread here on Twitter by IPO Gregory here. He has a great post. It is multiple things linking IPOF down to Starlink and other, just so much here. Could be IPOD as well, which we're going to talk about here in a little bit as well. So IPOF, in my opinion, is real exciting. I got a lot of videos on the channel going over other DD, like this video here. I have some on this video here. So if you go to my channel and type in the search bar IPOF, you will get the videos that I have done of possible SpaceX Starlink speculation / rumors. So like I said, thank you here to Gregory on giving this thread. Like I said, it's a great read. So many things here that could happen with it. And not only that, but when the market's kind of bearish here, this thing has been mooning up, guys. And the volume on this has been phenomenal. Average volume, 2.5 million. And this thing traded today 11.3 million in volume. This is just a SPAC with nothing official with it. Why is it getting over 5 times the volume? Someone knows something's up. That's not retail buying that. There's no way. That's a lot of buys for retail. You're talking that's a lot of money coming to retail pockets if that's all retail buys. I think there's a lot of institutions and hedge funds out there buying this one up as well, because I think they all know something's going on. And IPOF is one that I'm super excited about because I just think it has the most potential. And it just keeps going up. My options just keep getting more valuable and more valuable. I had a play here in the channel membership too. We bought those options for May 20th at $25 a piece. And now they're valued over $60, $70 a piece. So phenomenal. $10 strike price expiring May 20th. So we'll see how those end up. I bought the October 21st as well. So what we did was we sold a little bit of those options and bought the October 21st option to give us more time, because in my recent video that I did cover on IPOF, that SPAC has until October to announce who it's going to merge with. So I got that option right after that date. So super exciting stuff there. So now let's go take a look at IPOD. Next one here is IPOD. Look at the 1 month chart on this. It was down at $9.93, now trading at $10.40. So the closer you buy this to that $10, the $9.90 range, because that's where these SPACs have a level, until they officially merge with the company they're going to be going with, it is like very low risk in this kind of bearish stock market. So in essence, as you see here, is $10.40. So you're risking 40 cents per share roughly. If it goes back to $9.93, you're risking 47 cents per share. It's not going to drop like, 20-30% in a day. It just can't do that. These SPACs have a NAV price. I think the lowest I've really ever seen a SPAC go was like $9.80, $9.70. But it will recover back up to $10 because they are obligated to get that price there. So this one also has big rumors that people's out there saying that IPOD and IPOF could link together and make Starlink. So I don't know if that would happen. Just all speculation out there, of course. But the volume doesn't lie. I mean, that's one thing, Unusual Whales on Twitter says, follow the volume. And you're looking here at a volume when a lot of stocks don't meet the average volume. How is these SPACs like this one here, average volume 478,000 shares traded, but it traded 3.4, almost 3.5 million shares traded today. So someone knows something. This ain't just retail buying up that many shares. Now, I guess it could be, there could be a lot of big whales out there, but I just don't see that that's all retail buy. I think that's a lot of institutions and hedge funds out there buying this as well, because there's big speculation of these two merging with Starlink or something else that's huge, because they have the Elon Musk thing going on here. I want to say thank you here to SPAC Track. And guys, check this out. He gave a list here of the top SPACs as of today. IPOF, 11.4 million. IPOD, 3.5 million. And GGPI is 2 million. Now, I'm not putting GGPI in this video, but that's merging with Polestar. I love that stock. I have all three of those. And the other one I'm actually going to talk about in today's video is not actually on this list, but it's an interesting stock to say the least. I have talked about it before on the channel. So let's go take a look at that last stock. All right, and the last stock we're going to talk about, as you see here on the left, is a SPAC that is rumored to go merge with OnlyFans. That's right, the adult entertainment app. So here is that ticker symbol UTAA. Now I'm going to tell you right now, look at the 1 month chart on this one. This had a NAV of $9.86, as you see, and now it's trading at $10.17. It did hit over $10.20. I believe this was up at one point to $10.30 or $10.40. But the way sometimes Google shows these charts, you know, it is what it is. But still, this one is even lower risk, because now you're talking, if this has a NAV of $9.86 and it's $10.17, you're talking pennies here on the dollar of your risk. Because until this officially merges, and let's say it's not OnlyFans and it's someone else, and you don't like who they're merging with, you can just sell out of it. And you may take a small loss, but nothing like you're going to drop 10, 20%, because that just can't happen, because the SPACs have the NAV price. So we go here and take a look at UTAA. And this one here today didn't go crazy like the other ones, but average volume is 160,000, and today it traded 205,000. Now, the warrants were lighting up a little bit, because, you know, warrants move almost about double what the stock does. And if you just go over here on Twitter and do UTAA, there's a lot of funny comments with the merger with OnlyFans. But there's a lot of people on here that truly believe that this is going to merge with UTAA, the OnlyFans. If you check out my video here, I give a full breakdown of a lot of the DD that's out there, of the management team that's a part of UTAA, and how they link together with some of the management at OnlyFans. So there's a lot of speculation on this one as well. And I just wanted to bring this to your attention, because I believe it's worth to put it on your watch list. And I mean, on this one, I'll be honest, I got warrants, I got shares as well. So unfortunately, I cannot buy options yet, because there is no options available. But as soon as I keep looking every day, the first day that I see options come available for this, I'm going to be loading up on the options, because I did that with IPOF. I bought those like 2 month out options for May 20th, because I bought them about over a month ago to 5 weeks ago for 25 bucks a piece, and now they're printing up to 60, 70 bucks a piece. So as that stock starts to move, those options are printing, and I want to catch this one. Like the first day options come out, I want to buy them up and get them a few months out and see what happens. And I'll probably stagger them out, get a few short term, get a couple long term, and take it from there. So that is all I got for you in today's video. Those are 3 SPACs that I am buying with very low risk, in my opinion, and a lot of potential. All speculation, but lots of potential. So hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and I'll catch you on the next video, guys. Peace.